Here's the Iron Trader. Run a little late here today. The pits closed about 3 hours ago at 2:30. It's about 5:30 right now. But again, we are going to review here crude oil and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, I've been watching the videos. You'll know I've been pointing out this key 8 SMA here. Once she rolls over to 21 day, takes the price right on down. Perfect example right here. Look at this bear flag. Try to get higher on Monday. Close below. Bear flag, bear flag, bear flag. Okay, so now today's low here, we came down to 77.62. So I've been telling you to watch out this breakout candle right here. Okay, this is 77.33. So far that is holding nicely. Now again, if that 77.33 is lost, then what you want to do is look at this 200 sitting at 76.48, and then we have your 50 SMA right below that at 76.29, and then you have your 100 SMA sitting at 75.43. Those will be your key resistance level. If that 100-day is lost, then we just keep on following the candles lower here until we come right on down. Maybe a possible retest here of this key support level here, sitting at the 67 level. Okay, on the upside, what we want to do is we want to watch yesterday's bottom of yesterday's candle. So you're looking at 79.46, then we look at today's candle, you're looking at 79.91, and then we look at your 8 SMA at 80.25, and then you have 81.19. And then again, then we look at Monday's top of that candle at 81.75, work our way on up. But the way this look, very, very bearish here, okay? Now, the EIA report came out, and they had a huge draw. I mean, you're talking about over 6 million barrels in crude, and see, what difference does it make, okay? This is why you trade the charts, okay? That meant absolutely zero, okay? So here's what we got here. So just watch this key 8 SMA. Now, when the futures open up here at 6 o'clock again, this 8-day is going to be coming down lower, okay? So this will be just like this. So what I am is I've been short since here, this candle here, since that red candle, okay? I added onto the short on this candle here, okay? And then what I do is I'm scalping the long, keeping the short on, and just scalping the long for day trades, cash flow, okay? But I'm staying short here until you can close above this key 8 SMA and this 21 SMA to reverse this pattern. But right now, you've got a very, very negative pattern. Okay, let's take a look here on a weekly and a month. Okay, your monthly chart, well, that's still looking intact. Month's not over yet. The key is to watch this 8 SMA here. You're sitting at 75.82. That's the key level here. Then you can hit your 200, your 50, and all the way down to your 100-day. Here on your weekly chart here, well, okay, here's what we got. Well, now your price basically is below this 78.93, which is your 8 SMA. Here's the one we're looking for right here, 77.98. Okay, that is your 50 SMA here, and then we come right down to your 75.67. That 75 level there is going to be very, very key level here. So we got to see if it's going to go all the way and down. On the upside, well, you know, you want to watch at the bottom of this candle here, which is 78.95, and then obviously this candle here, which is 81.75, and then work your way on up here. This is a key level right here, 83.53. It tried to go up. Okay, but again, it double topped, and now she's coming on down. So right now, it just is just a very bearish pattern. Again, I am short on the crude, and then I'm scalping the longs for daily cash flow until you can see some kind of reverse on the charts. But you look at the daily chart, the weekly, the monthly. Okay, you're getting a series of lower lows. That's never good. What you want to do is get a higher low, a red dog, something to tell you that it's reversing. But right now, it just looks lower. Okay, let's take a look here at the old Nat Gas. All right, Nat Gas looking pretty ugly here. Okay, so we still got the pinball action going here. So your top is going to be 2.61. That's your 8 SMA. Your bottom here, you're looking at 2.45. That is your key support level. Again, if that's lost, then what we want to do is come over here, look at this. You're looking at 2.45, and then we'd have this 100 SMA right below it at 2.44. Okay, so again, this is not looking really good here at all. So what you want to do here is See, you got candles here down there to 220 area here. You got 217 here, and then you got all the way down to 213. Your big retest here is 194. But let's not get too excited about that just yet. You got to make sure that if this 21-day can hold, then we can just have some sideways action. Same way with this price channel. If this price channel holds at 2.45, then we just got sideways action here, okay? And then you could go on up. But let's just take a look here on the upside. Well, see how that 8-day curled over? So you want to watch that, 2.61. You want to watch that 50 SMA here, 2.64, and then your 21-day, 2.65. A lot of resistance right overhead, but this is natural gas. It can blast right through that very, very easy, but just be careful of all this resistant levels right here. So I scalped the coal today, KOLD. That was actually a really good trade there. I think I made like 3.5 points on that there. So that worked good. I scalped it twice. Let's take a look here at an hourly and a 4-hour chart. Okay, here you have your hourly, here you have your 4-hour chart. Now, I've been pointing out this level right here, okay? Okay, so you're looking at, what was this here? Yes, 2.52 on this chart right here. Yeah, okay. So you broke that very, very clearly. So obviously the next level here is right here, okay? 2.45. That's going to be your target right now. This level, this area here, broke this key support level. That's not good. Not good at all. So you're looking at this 2.45. If that's lost, then we are going to go obviously much lower here. But right now here on the upside, you got to get back up here, 2.54, 2.57, 2.64, and even the big retest up here. But right now she's looking ugly times 10. Okay, she's falling right off this pattern here, which was a left shoulder, a head, right shoulders. Once that candle is lost right there at 2.52, once that lost, that negates that pattern and lower she goes. So we had a low so far, 2.47. This is the target right here at 2.45. Now again, if this 2.45 holds, we come right across here, well, then we have a nice double bottom here in play. Again, watch that key 2.45. All right, I'll have more for you tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock on the crude and the natty gas. Thanks for watching.